Hey guys, and welcome. Again, my name is Dr. Healy. Today we're here with the co-owner of Rise Fitness, Jaimee. Tell me a little bit about what you guys do here, what's your passion, what kind of athletes do you like to work with?
So I am a weightlifting coach. I love working with youth athletes.
Mm-hmm.
So right now I have a high school program that I'm running with a bunch of high school students. So that's kind of where my passion lies. And yeah,
Cool.
I love helping people.
So how young do you usually start people weightlifting?
It depends. So, I mean, you can start them pretty young. I've seen athletes start at the age of like 6.
Okay.
I typically work with kids that are like 15 to 18
Yeah.
right now.
Are there any concerns with working with somebody that's like 6? Is there any ailments that could hurt them down the road with like development?
No.
Good.
No.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What kind of things are you seeing with like the high school athlete that you're working with that you need to fix? You see it's pretty common with
Strength issues a lot. So I'm working to strengthen them to get them healthy for weightlifting.
Okay.
So we do a lot of like accessory work and yeah, I guess flexibility too. So we're working on that.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Fantastic. Well, tell me a little bit about what's going on with you today.
So I have a hip shift.
Okay.
So that causes me pain sometimes when I'm squatting. And I have a rib that I think is out.
Okay.
And, yeah.
And how long have you been dealing with this hip shift?
For years.
For years. What does it affect when it comes to lifting?
Well, my clean, because I squat, anything that I squat in, so my foot actually will start to turn out when I squat
Okay.
to compensate. So it actually has caused my knee to start hurting on the other side. My adductor hurts. So I've got a lot of issues because of the hip shift.
Okay. One thing we found with Jaimee, she's got really tight IT bands as well. And because where that connects, that will cause that rotation here and cause some hip issues and knee issues, which she's dealing with both. So we're first going to start with some deep tissue muscle work on there, and then we're going to get you stretched and then adjusted. So let's have you lay face up. Okay. All right. So we're going to get deep into this IT band. If it's too much pressure, just let me know.
Okay.
If you swear at me, that's cool too. Don't worry about it. Okay, I'm going to start with the broad end here. You still foam rolling daily?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Yeah.
All right.
Definitely worse at the bottom.
Oh yeah, that's rough. And are you training for any competition right now?
My next competition's in August.
Okay.
So that'll be next.
How did you guys end up with the last competition?
Really good. Everybody did great.
Fantastic.
Yeah. We had quite a few athletes, so.
Even up into here, like.
Yeah.
Doing okay with this pressure?
Yeah.
And your left knee's worse, right, than your right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And was there any accidents, falls, or anything like that? Or is it just kind of repetitive injuries?
I tore my hamstring.
Okay.
Which I think is what caused everything.
And when was that?
Like 7 years ago.
Okay. So your body just kind of compensated for the
Yeah.
7 years and then worked from there.
Yeah.
Let me get a little bit more lotion here. Yeah, you're probably going to bruise
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did pretty bad the last time.
I'm going probably a little deeper than I was last time too. I want to get into the quad a little bit too. Good. You get any pain in your hamstring still after you tore it? Does that still bother you?
Yeah, it's like up and down. It depends. It's been a lot better recently, but yeah, it used to be, it would go away for a couple of months and then it would come back for a couple of months. Yeah, it's weird.
So like after I do this, I probably wouldn't have you lift your legs today. I'd have you ice it and kind of relax it because it's going to need to heal.
Okay.
So let's switch sides. Okay. Here. All right. Have this rotate slightly. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Looks like you have some bruising here. Probably from the Theragun?
I honestly don't know what that bruise was from. It could have been the barbell, a lot of things.
I just run into stuff.
Yeah, I do.
My wife does too, all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one feels more tight than the other side did.
Yeah, my hamstring at the bottom of this leg is a little tight, like pulling recently. And I don't know if I tore this hamstring, but I have a feeling I might have.
Yeah.
Too, so I don't have the best hamstring.
Are you stretching? And it's like, it's harder. You can't really foam roll your hamstrings. You have to use a Theragun on it.
Yeah.
Or like stretch it, but that's kind of tough too.
Yeah. Yeah, I do
you
a
have
lot of like strengthening work for them.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know.
So is that like, are you doing like lunges? Are you doing?
I do
leg
the
curls?
hamstring curl machine. So
Okay.
it like isolates it. And then like single leg RDLs, stuff like that.
Do you guys have a stretch band that you could use too? Kind of
Yeah.
pull it towards you, kind of like what we do.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I need a little more motion here. We'll get the quads as well. Yeah, this one's way tighter.
I'm going to the beach tomorrow, so that's
Oh yeah.
real cute.
What beach you guys going to?
I don't know, honestly. Probably, I'm guessing like New Smyrna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were gonna go to New Smyrna too, but then decided we're gonna go boating instead.
Oh, that would be fun.
Yeah, right down here. Whew. I'm gonna flip this over and use this guy now. Okay. All right, let's do some stretching for the hamstrings like we were just talking about, and then we'll get you adjusted there. So,
Okay.
all right. Bring this up. Tell me when you feel the stretch here.
Right there.
Okay, push towards me. Pain in the hamstrings with this?
Not pain, a
Okay.
stretch.
Okay, good. And bring across. Okay, push towards me. 3, 4, 10. Good. Oh. Get that leg straight if you can. It's all good.
That's good.
Push towards me. Good. And here.
That's good.
Push up. 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. All right. Good.
That's good.
Push towards me. This one's a little more stiff on the side. Good. And here. This is not though. This is
That's
flexible.
good.
Push up. 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. Good.
That's good.
And push towards me. A lot better the second time once it got warmed up. Good. And here. And up. 4. Okay. Let's get you adjusted here. Your left side is real jammed today. All right. Stretch all the way over. Let the head just drop. Good. Same thing here. Perfect. All right. Lay on your side and face me. All right, relax that shoulder back. Breathe in. And all the way out. That moves easily. Switch sides. All right. Rotate your little bit this way and rotate your hips slightly this way. There you go. Breathe in. And all the way out. On your back. Relax here. Good. Let's check the knee. And get a little bit more in the hip. There we go. Same thing here. Over your head. There we go. Awesome. Flip on your stomach, please.
My hair always gets wrapped when I move.
All right. Breathe in. And all the way out. And breathe in here. And all the way out. Same thing here. And all the way out. You said you felt that rib
Yeah.
right here?
Yeah, it's more, yeah.
Or do you feel a little lower?
It's
So-
usually,
Because you feel that knot right here?
yeah, it's like here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. You probably won't hear too much of a pop here, but breathe in. And all the way out. Okay, good. Have you rotate on your back, please. All right. All right, scoot down a couple inches this way. Okay. Bend both legs, your feet on the table. Here. All right, take a nice deep breath in. And all the way out. That's about as much that one's gonna move. All right, pop one up. Swing your feet this way. Perfect. Hands behind your head. Good. Here. Here. Lean back. There we go. Breathe in. And all the way out. There we go. Awesome. We're all set. Come on up. Let's see how that feels. Move around.
Good.
Sweet. Fantastic. Guys, I appreciate you guys watching today. Hit that subscribe button below, and we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks.